Hello, students. Today, our topic for this session is a flip book. What is flip book actually? Well, let us see. We'll explore this. The main topic for today's session is food. Yes, food, the food you eat. Let us study about it. So, the food is an essential element, isn't it? Food is a very essential element. When you get hungry, you ask your elders in your home for food, isn't it? The tasty food they give you and you eat, isn't it? There are also many animals that require food. Let us study them. What they require. What are their favorite foods? Let us study them. Okay. Now the animals are divided into three categories based on the food they eat. Okay. Animals are divided in three categories based on the food they eat. The first category is the herbivores. The second category is the carnivores. And third category is omnivores. Okay. The first category is herbivores. Second is carnivores. Third is omnivores. Let us study them. So, in first category, herbivores, the animals that eat only and only plants. These are called as herbivores. What are herbivores? Animals that eat plants only. For example, there is what are plants like there is cabbage, onions, then other fruits, there is carrot, grapes. So all those animals who only eat plants and the material which is given from the plants, those are called herbivores. For example, zebra. For example, cow. Cow eats grass. Grass is a plant, isn't it? For example, rabbit. Rabbit also eats some plants. For example, goat. Goat eat plants only. Elephant also eats fruits and all other things which are obtained from plants. By the way, what is the favorite food of elephant? Bananas, yes. Banana is also obtained from plants only. That is why elephants are herbivores in nature. Okay, that is why elephants are herbivores in nature. Now the second is the carnivores. Okay, we have seen herbivores. Herbivores animals eat plants and plants obtained food. Now carnivores. Oh, these are very scary animals. Carnivores eat other animals. Okay, carnivores animals eat other animals. For example, lion. This is a lion. This is a tiger. They eat other animals. They eat flesh. What do they eat? They eat flesh. Flesh. They eat flesh. They eat other animals. For example, lion, tiger, fish. Fish also eat other fishes. So fishes also. There are many other reptiles. For example, lizard. They also eat other animals, isn't it? There are snakes. Big snakes also eat other small snakes and other animals also, like rabbits, then mouse. So carnivores animals like to eat flesh. That is, they like to eat other animals. These are very dangerous animals. The carnivores animals are very dangerous animals. Okay, they like to eat flesh. Then third, omnivorous animals. Now, initially we saw herbivorous animals. They only eat plants. Then second, we saw carnivorous animals. They eat flesh. Now, there are certain animals which can eat both. Okay, they can also eat fruits. I mean, they can also eat plants and plant obtained food and also flesh. Those animals are called omnivores. For example, bear. This is a bear. 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 Bear also eats some plants, some fruits. At the same time, bear also eats flesh. Bear can eat all plants also. some fruits also, and bear can also eat other animals also. Similarly, human beings also eat vegetarian food. Human beings also eat non-vegetarian food. Hence, human beings are omnivorous. Similarly, bear is also omnivorous. You can see here, here is chicken. This also, this also can eat, this also can eat both. This also can eat plants and also can eat animals. Okay, this is a hen in front of you, isn't it? Hen can eat both plants and animals. So the animals which can eat both the plants and animals are called omnivores. What are they called? They are called omnivores. Animals who can eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals who can eat animals are called carnivores, and animals who can eat both are called omnivores. Okay, so this is a STEM card: science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and there's an activity for you. Now this activity is named Flipbook. Okay, and what all you will require? You will require some sheets of paper, then you will require markers, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick and Fevicol. So let us start this practical. First is cut a small rectangular sheet, a small rectangular sheet, almost the size of coasters. You know, coasters are that material which is kept under glass like that. So a small rectangular sheet. So just cut small rectangular sheets. Then make three packs of three such sheets and write herbivore, carnivores, and omnivores on each pack. Okay, so uh, for three such sheets, you will make three packs. Then you will write herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores on that each pack. Draw the images of your favorite herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore on the first sheet of each pack. So for on the each pack, you just draw your favorite animal, which is a herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore on the first sheet of that pack. On subsequent sheet of the pack, draw the source of the food of the previous image. So there is an example like rabbit, grass, soil. Now what you have to do is, let's say that your favorite animal is rabbit. Okay, so you are drawing a rabbit. What is rabbit? Rabbit is an animal which is herbivore. Okay, it eats grass. So what you will write? You will write like this: rabbit dash grass. Now where does the grass come from? It comes from soil. So you will also write soil. Okay, and try to complete all the three categories. That is, you will do this for herbivores, you will do this for carnivores, and again you will do this for omnivores. Okay, you will do it for all the three types of animals. This is your activity. Now there are certain notes for you. First is, animals need food to survive. Yes, we all need food to survive. We require food for our energy. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores all need energy, and this energy comes from the food they eat, isn't it? This energy comes from the food they eat. In nature, all herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores needs to coexist as to maintain a balance. Okay, this point is very important. All herbivores and carnivores need to coexist to maintain a balance. What does it mean actually is, see, uh, herbivores depend on plants, isn't it? Herbivores are depend on plants, but carnivores are depend on herbivores. Okay, carnivorous animals, they eat herbivorous animals, isn't it? So they both are dependent on each other, isn't it? And this balance must be maintained. Okay, so think time for all of you. Discuss what would happen if there were no herbivores on earth. Now this question is very important. See, let us examine this more carefully. What does herbivores do? Herbivores eat plants. Okay. So herbivores, if there are no herbivores, then there would be many plants, isn't it? And now, if there are no herbivores, then there won't be any carnivorous animals, isn't it? Because carnivore animals eat herbivore animals. And if there are no herbivore animals, then carnivore animals will not be there, because there would not be any food to carnivorous animals, isn't it? Hence the balance would be destroyed. Okay, this balance, we need to maintain this balance. The balance would be destroyed if there is no carnivorous animals. Then the entire food chain get destroyed. Now what is food chain? This dependency. See, first initially there is grass. Okay, there is grass. Then this grass is eaten by a rabbit. Oh, sorry, initially there is soil. So I'll write soil here. In that soil, grass grows. Okay, just a minute, I'll erase it. Okay, so in this soil, grass grows. Now this grass is eaten by a rabbit. Okay, this rabbit, let's say, is eaten by a wolf. Let's say wolf is also a carnivorous animal. Wolf. Okay. Now, who will eat this wolf? Who can eat this wolf? Yes, wolf can also be eaten by a lion or a tiger, isn't it? Tiger. Let's say tiger eats this wolf. Now, who can eat the tiger? No one can eat the tiger, isn't it? Tiger is very, very strong. So, what will happen? This tiger will die. Okay. Because of aging or because of any other factors, this tiger will die. Hmm? And after this tiger will die, there are animals who eat dead plants also. Okay, like vultures. vultures. So these vultures, what they do is they eat dead animals. Okay, they eat dead animals. So they will eat this tiger. They will eat the dead tiger. What they will eat? They will eat the dead tiger. And what will happen now after eating this dead tiger? There will be the bones left. Now that bones will be in the soil only, and they will enrich the soil with nutrients. Okay, so this is the food chain that goes on and on and on. So what do you think? There is familiarity. See, soil, then there is grass. What is grass? Grass is plant, isn't it? Let's say I'll erase this again. Grass is plant. Hmm? What is rabbit? Rabbit is a herbivore. Hmm? What is wolf and tiger? They both are carnivores. What are vultures? Vultures are also carnivores since they eat other animals. So they're also carnivores. So what you can see is the plants, herbivores eat plants, carnivorous animals eat herbivore animals. Okay, this is what we are trying to say here, isn't it? Now, if there are no herbivores, okay, if there are no herbivores, these carnivores could not eat anyone. Okay, therefore they will die of hunger. Okay, they will die of hunger. So there will not be any wolf, there would be any tiger, there won't be any vultures, so there won't be any other animal. Okay, there won't be any other wild animals that eat other animals. Okay, so that is the impact if there won't be there won't be any herbivores. Got it? Now one more question: what would happen if there were only carnivores on our planet? Well, if they're considering this cycle, if there are only carnivores, then they would die. Okay, they would die in a very short time. Okay, they would die in a very, very, very short time, because there are some carnivores who are many, many, much, much stronger. Okay, like tiger. Tiger is stronger than wolf. So this tiger will eat all of those wolves. Okay, and after all of the wolves are gone, after all of the wolves are dead, then there is nothing for the tiger to eat. Okay, hence they will also die in the end, and in very short time. Okay, that would happen if there were only carnivores on our planet. So thank you for this session. I hope you like it. Thank you.